ko pong sabihin mabuhay po ang Manila Art. Nais ko pong i-congratulate lahat ng mga participants, lahat ng mga artists na involved dito po sa napakalaking exhibit na ito. Nais ko lamang sabihin, I'm proud of the Filipino artist. Malaking bagay po itong Manila Art dahil this is giving that opportunity to Filipino artists to be part of this exhibit, to be part of this festival, kung saan mapapanood po ito ng ating mga kaibigan dito sa bansa, lahat po ng mahihilig, lahat po ng mga interesado. Nasa na ba ang Filipino painters? Nasa na ba ang Filipino sculptors? Nasa na ba ang mga visual artists na Pilipino? Ano na ba ang narating natin bilang komunidad? At nais ko ring sabihin na napakaganda ng pagkakataong ito because this will be viewed by an international market. Sana'y one day we're able to do what other countries are doing. We're able to attract as many people as we can because I have never doubted that we are at par, if not better, than artists in the region, if not in the world. Bakit mahalaga po itong Manila Art para sa atin bilang bansa? Ang visual arts is one of the best sources of stories of a nation. So, makikita mo kung ano ang kwento natin bilang tao. Makikita mo ang kwento natin bilang isang bansa. At pag nalaman mo ang kwento mo, of course, dumadating yung pagkakataon that you are proud of your heritage. You are proud of your identity. You are proud that you have a story. You are proud because you're whole. You are proud because you're not confused about your identity. Hindi lamang identity ang ibinibigay sa atin, hindi lamang kwento ang ibinibigay sa atin ng visual arts, pero mahusay po ang Pinoy in the global perspective. I am truly proud. I'm truly proud to be in a country where the community of artists is a vibrant group of people, exuberant, expressive, risque, unafraid, artistic, nationalistic, expressive, eloquent. Doon sa mga hindi pa nagkakaroon ng pagkakataong ma-discover ang mundong ito, this is your chance to come and be part of Manila Art. Lahat ng nais makisalamuha sa kwentong Pilipinas, sa kwentong arte pagdating sa visual arts. Ito'y isang imbitasyon na sana'y kayong maging aktibong participant dito po sa Manila Art. Mabuhay po ang National Commission for Culture and the Arts, mabuhay po ang Filipino artists, mabuhay po ang mundo ng arte, mabuhay po tayong lahat, and let's continue to support the Filipino artist, and let's continue to be part of our story as a people and as a country. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to the men and women behind the fourth successful year of Manila Art 2012 for showcasing to the world how brilliant Filipino artists are. I personally believe that Filipino creative talents are ready to take on a bigger audience and conquer the global arena of the art scene with their unique visual artworks and their unique stories to tell. Metro Manila as a point of convergence of people from all walks of life, from different provinces with diverse backgrounds, is sure to make an interesting hotspot for any artist hoping to chase inspiration. It is exciting to know, however, and better yet witness, how the hustle and bustle of Manila translates to interesting works of art. And it is my pleasure and honor to join you in this 5-day event in supporting the Filipino artists to be recognized and their art pieces be seen by the whole world. Mabuhay ang artistang Pilipino.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Risa Ontiveros. I wish to congratulate Manila Art for its successful art fair and for giving artists a platform to share their creation. More importantly, thank you for giving us, ordinary citizens, this rare chance to immerse ourselves in the arts and get reacquainted with our soul. The arts have always been an anchor to understand who we are as a nation, as communities, and as individuals, allowing us to forge a clearer perspective on how we are to move forward. It gives definition to what a Filipino truly is, which should be the foundation of any collective project of national development. Kaya maraming salamat sa Manila Art at sana patuloy ninyong bigyang buhay ang sining ng ating bayan.
Congratulations to the organizers of Manila Art on its 4th year. This is truly a very welcome event, especially in the field of arts and literature. Mahalaga po ang sining sa ating bansa. Sabi ng isang manunulat, the artist is the soul of the nation. Over 500 artists will be coming together, will be having exhibits, showing their talent and their skill. The Filipino artist, the Filipino is a very creative race, very artistic. We excel in the performing arts, we excel in the arts. And so this is an exciting event. We support this and we congratulate the organizers. We look forward to not just your 4th, not just your 5th, but perhaps your 40th, your 50th gathering. Napakahalaga ng sining sa ating kultura, sa ating bansa. At napakahalaga ng pagtitipon-tipon dito sa Manila Art. Again, congratulations.
Una, binabati ko yung Manila Arts Festival sapagkat pagkakataon na makapagbigay ng oportunidad sa ating mga budding artists na may pakita yung galing nila. And hopefully, matuto rin sila sa ginagawa ng ibang tao at malaman ng mga mamamayan natin na pangkaraniwan kung paano mag-appreciate ng art, kung paano makita yung isang bahagi ng kultura natin sa pananaw ng isang artist. Ang artist ay isang creative individual na nagbibigay ng mensahe sa mga titingin sa kanyang craft para sa ganun magkaroon ng talagang sursis sa kahirapan o kasiyahan o kalungkutan o naman. So, itong mga opportunities na ito ay maganda at binabati ko kayo sa inyong pagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa ating mga kababayan na mga artist.
In behalf of the management and staff of SMX Convention Center, it is our honor and pleasure to be the venue of Asia's latest contemporary art fair. We believe in and uphold the creativity, imagination, and passion of the Filipino artist. This is our humble contribution to the promotion and development of our very own art scene. Congratulations, Manila Art.
Okay, Lilac, what do you think of Ronald Ventura's success in Singapore?
You know, I think the success of Ronald Ventura is based on the fact that it's only now through the use of, I guess just a more access over there that the talent and skill of Filipino art is being valued for its caliber. I think the fact that we are isolated as an island compared to a little bit more, the Malaysia, Hong Kong, I mean, as a more of a mainland kind of thing, that somehow with such a lot of artists here, that artists are not as valued as they should be. So putting it in something like Singapore, which has the highest income in Asia, at the same time, they appreciate the quality of art and they give the same value to it. I think it's not only that it's only now, but there should be more Filipinos valued for the quality of art that they do. And hopefully this is a trend that would expand. I think the next phase really is for the local government, I think it's for the national government.